this first day of December, on a rainy day at the end of last year, when I heard you're alone, thought my big day's finally come. Today I wasted all my joy and all of my time through the seashore and the beautiful bay, toward you, the one who's gonna feel in my day when I'm ready to be all in, to do things that I should have done before. But when it's back, all of my hope is gone for sure. And it's the first time I'm finally been one really safe. It is the moment when it's real, I finally complete. And all I've been wondering right now is just another big cave. With everything that I just saw, how am I gonna live? How am I gonna live? Still any day, and it's not getting better. Still just wondering what's gonna come in after. Then I saw that you happier when he's he to say that he's loving you. And I wish that I was him to say all the same things to you. And it's like the first time that I'm finally been one really safe. It is the moment when it's real, I finally complete. And all I've been wondering right now is just another big cave. With everything that I just saw, how am I gonna live? How am I gonna live a life when the best part it's always all about you? A life when every steps are leading me to you. A life when every single things that I've been through, it's a life that reminds me of you. And it's the first time that I'm finally been one really safe. It is the moment when it's reached, I finally complete. All I've been wondering right now is just another big cave under the saturated day. How am I gonna live? How am I gonna